Good morning, YouTube. My time here in Vegas has come to a close, and it's time to drive over to Scottsdale for the Ferrari Club of America national event. So this should be absolutely epic. There's going to be a couple hundred Ferraris, probably some ridiculously awesome and rare ones and cool stuff. Hopefully we get to see some of these things driving, because we're going to be going on some drives with Shell. So they're going to have some awesome epic drives out in the middle of the desert of cool mountains and stuff. Yeah, the Ferrari's a bit dirty. I think I'm going to probably try and wash it somewhere, because it's got about 1600 miles on it right now, and well, the layer of dirt's getting pretty intense to the point where like I just had to wash the windshield just to even be able to see clearly. So I'm gonna try and stop a few times and fly the drone if it will cooperate today, because last time I tried to fly it, was not happy. All right, SEMA, so long. FCA, here we come.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
All right, there's a scenic overlook I thought I'd check out. I mean, I got time. Ooh, it's Lake Mead. Well, this is really pretty. Of course, I catch it right as the truck's doing its engine braking. Great. So it's kind of funny. There's a McLaren and a Lamborghini here, and the dudes are like, "Oh, so did you rent this Ferrari?" Blah blah. I'm like, "No, it's mine." Like, "Oh, okay, you're one of the real owners." It's kind of funny, but you get a lot of that in Vegas. You know, they got a lot of rental exotics. But let's get going. We ran into a problem. My right rear might have a leak. So I just passed the Hoover Dam, basically in the middle of nowhere, no self-service, and my tire pressure warning system goes off saying I got a low tire pressure. So let's put some air in it and we'll see if it keeps leaking. It looks like maybe it's a slow leak, so hopefully that's the case, and hopefully we can just survive. Maybe? We'll find out. All right, threw a little of the tire sealant in there, just because I don't want to risk having it go blow out or something. So pumped it back up to 32 psi. Hopefully this can at least limp us back into Phoenix, so we'll find out. Get back to the road and obviously watch the tire pressure very carefully. That's not a good sign. I filled it up to 30 something psi and it's already down to 27. Let's drive for a little bit to see if it seals up. All right, so at first the pressure went down to 26 and then came back to 27. So I think maybe it's holding. I'm gonna add some more air just to get it up to 32, just so we're safe. Well, so this view does not suck at all, right? I'll take this. Hopefully my puncture's fixed, so I put some more air in it. It's back up to 32 psi. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. I think I might fly the drone real quick because it's so damn pretty right here. I have no cell phone reception, so what I'm gonna try and do is once I get cell reception, I'm gonna call someone from the FCA and see if maybe I can't arrange getting some new tires. Yeah, that's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be tricky, but maybe we can do it. Apparently I'm not the only one that got a tire puncture, so yeah, must be something on the road. Now my TPMS is barking about calibration, so I turned on the calibration. We're gonna have to drive for a little bit and see if it goes away. I'm arranging tire repair and tire replacement. It's kind of tricky from Millimore. Hello? Hey, all right. We got a discount tire that's gonna repair the tire, so let's head there. It's 49 minutes away in Kingman. We should be good. I think it's still holding pretty good. All right, we made it to Scottsdale. And Jake is taking care of me. Jake is the man. So we went to the other discount, and like when I called them, they said, oh, we'll get you right in. And then I get there and they had like 8 cars in line. So I'm like, yeah, I don't have time for that. So we got to get to the event at 4, and it's 3 o'clock right now. So we got like 1 hour to take care of this. And I still got to eat something. I haven't eaten anything today. So that'd be good. Yeah, let's get this taken care of. So this is really odd. When I was driving out of Vegas, something actually chipped my window. I don't know if you can see that, but oh yeah, Dad's here again. So we got the wheel off. It's in discount getting repaired. So yeah, we're at Discount Tire in Scottsdale. Once we get this fixed, we're gonna go over to the FCA event and have some fun. Oh yeah, we're back in business. Tire is patched, torqued down, ready to rock and roll. All right, let's go to the FCA event and see some Ferraris and get registered. That's always a good way to start it off. F133, one of the V8s. Jeez, that is awesome. All right, we got the LaFerrari, we got a TDF, but we have the F50. Oh yes, the F50.
What year is this?
Whew, right there. Good Lord. I always love seeing the F50s. Oh yeah. We got all the good stuff. More good stuff. We're at the Penske Racing Museum, and it's really, really impressive. Lots of cool stuff. Crazy cars. Supposedly there's a trophy room we're trying to find. Oh, this is not it. Okay, I don't know where it is yet. Oh, there's trophies. Look at all these trophies. Wow. Oh yeah, they used to have a Grand Prix in Detroit. Lots more trophies. Yeah, you got Ferraris over here, Jaguar, Maserati, got Lamborghinis and Bentleys. Aston Martin, so that's an Indy motor.
That's an Indy?
Yeah, they're both Indy motors. That one's, it doesn't say what year, 2002, 1991. Look at that, 12,500 RPMs. That's insane. So this one's got a different fuel injection system, and look at that, 13,400 RPMs. Dad's digging the Portofino. I think he likes the convertible. Look at that, it's still got the window sticker.
It's
Only 150. 173. Okay, yeah. Base price was 150.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous. This one's got quite a bit of modifications. I'm actually kind of digging it.
Yeah, I'm digging this one.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the wings subtle. No worries.
Yeah.
The wings subtle. The rims kind of make it pop a little bit. He's got a bunch of carbon on the rear. Nice little stripe on the seats. What do we got in the front? More carbon up front. Oh yeah, that's not even the factory bumper. So that's pretty cool. We have the RPM winner, 15,000 RPMs on this bad boy. Yeah, that's pretty incredible. And that right there is a serious race car. Those are so incredible. Well, we made it back to my parents' house. It's like now 10 o'clock and I'm tired. I've had a long day. I've pretty much been on the road since 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. Tomorrow we start the cool stuff. So tomorrow we start the Shell pleasure drives. So we're gonna be doing some awesome stuff. Obviously we're gonna have to go fill up with some Shell V-Power Nitro Plus because I'm almost empty. It's gonna be awesome. Gonna be a couple hundred cars out there, a couple hundred Ferraris on these drives. That's gonna be incredible. So you guys are obviously gonna wanna stay tuned and subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video, and then come back and watch that video when it comes out. So we're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. You guys are gonna wanna stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.